Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper. Greentyme PLC is a business selling a wide range of products for the garden. It has now decided to add garden sheds to its range of products. So the following information is available for September to December. So it is giving how much it is able to sell, okay, budget, okay, of how much quantity it can sell in each of the 4 months, September, October, November and December, and the selling price is around 450 pounds. So the first, okay, here it is giving for each month what is the quantity sold, and each garden shed will sell for 450 pounds. This represents the selling price or the rate, okay, of selling. Okay, this 4 items will represent the quantity sold in each of the month. In September, it is able to sell 8 sheds per week. You have to calculate for the entire month in September. Now prepare a revenue budget for Greentyme PLC showing revenue in pounds, okay, for each of the 4 months, September to December. Now general formula for any revenue is going to be the quantity times the selling price, okay, or the rate. How much of quantity you are able to sell and at what price, okay, are you selling it. So that is going to get us revenue. Now let's calculate revenue for the month of September. So there are 8 garden sheds which are sold in a week in September. Is 8 sheds in 4 weeks, okay, will cover the entire month into 450 from all the 24 stores, so into 24 stores. So that is going to be equal to 8 into 4 into 450 into 24. So that is going to be equal to 345,600 pounds. So this is the revenue from which they will get from 24 stores if they are able to sell at the rate of 8 garden sheds in a week, okay, at the rate of 450. Now let's calculate the revenue from all the 24 stores for the month of October. So in projected selling quantity is 6 garden sheds in the week in October. So 6 into 4 into 450 into 24. So that is going to be equal to 259,200. So 259,200 pounds. Now let's calculate the revenue for the month of November. For the month of November, they are able to sell 4 garden sheds. Okay, they are able to sell 4 garden sheds. So 4 into 4 weeks, okay, in the month will cover the total quantity sold in a month into 450 across 24 stores. So that is going to be equal to 172,800. So that is going to be 172,800 pounds. Now let's calculate the revenue for the month of December. So in December they are able to sell 2 sheds per week. So 2 sheds per week into 4 weeks per month into 450 pounds selling price into 24 stores. So that is going to be equal to 86,400. Okay, 86,400. Now let's fill up the table. So for the month of September it is 345,600. For the month of October the revenue they get is 259,200. For the month of November for the month of October it is 259,200. For the month of November it is 172,800, and for the month of December it is 86,400.